Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can find free AutoCAD tutorials, okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Savvy Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to type on Google GrabCAD, okay? Then you click on the first result. Okay, next you go to community, then you go to tutorials. Now for the first tab, change it from most likely this month to all time. Then change the software to AutoCAD. Great. Now let's take for example this tutorial how to create a block in AutoCAD. So as you can see here, this GrabCAD user is creating an AutoCAD tutorial using images, okay? So this kind of tutorials will help you to learn how to use AutoCAD for free. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Savvy Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.